everyone, wanted to do a quick video on how to install the factory mud flaps from Tesla for the Cybertruck. So on the desk we have the front right and rear right, and they arrive in this giant box which you can see here, and this is what they look like when they're installed. So they look really good, they fit the part completely. So the front one is super easy, so what it looks like, and over here kind of got it organized into the bits you need. So the front one, actually you don't need that. You just need two of these plugs to replace the two plugs that come out, and then two of these tap screws that go in the bottom. The holes are pre-drilled on the bottom of the Cybertruck already, so very easy install. And then for the rear, it's a bit chunkier, so you have four of these bolts, and I'll go over the tools you need in a second. And then three of these collection clips, so these just snap inside the inside cowl cover of the rear wheel well. And then this fourth bolt will go through the bolt on the underside, having removed one of the smaller bolts that's already there. So the tools you need are a T25, yep, Torx 25, one of those. Little flat blade screwdriver to remove the factory retaining push pins. They look like this, they're super easy. Just pop those out. And then you'll also need a 10mm socket for these. All right, that's all you're going to hear from me. The rest of it is just going to show you how to install them.